कि ये निर्णय भारत सरकार के द्वारा लिया जाना है। एक सम्मिलित निर्णय होगा जो भारत सरकार लेगी। जो हमारे पास इंडिकेशन अवेलेबल है, हमको कहा गया है कि हम रेडीनेस में रहें, तो हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि अगर कभी भी फ़्लाइट्स, डोमेस्टिक फ़्लाइट्स शुरू होने की अगर अनाउंसमेंट होता है तो गोवा एयरपोर्ट उन फ़्लाइट्स को अकोमोडेट करने में समर्थ है। उसमें ऐसा कोई दिक्कत हमारे सामने नहीं है। दूसरा, जो वन क्वेश्चन अबाउट गोवन सी फेयर हैज़ कम, येस देयर आर इंडिकेशंस अवेलेबल दैट those seafarers are going to get back to their home, and some discussions have already been taken place in this regard. If they are coming by the chartered flights or by any other flights through Vande mission or whatever is being decided, so how to receive them, how to check them, how their baggages will be handled, how will be passing the immigration coming to the custom. But one thing is for certain that as per the instructions they will have to go for their regular testing. It will not be limited to thermal screening only. Their swabs and other things will be taken. We have received a request from Director Health Services to put some such kiosks at the airport. So we are examining that possibility. A team of doctors is expected to come from Goa Medical College along with the all concerned officials and collectors South Goa. So we work out all those arrangements how best we can handle their arrival. But when they are going to arrive is not known to us so far, because we have not received any request. But as soon that request is received, we are definitely going to accept that, depending upon our operations, what is the operation situation at the airport. So airport is functional. Anybody who wants to operate a flight as per the norms of Government of India is welcome. There is no issue as far as we are concerned.